Please tell me a little bit about your poster.
Okay. This is a poster for the ontology working group, actually led by Dave Banham, who's with another poster at the moment. The ontology working group is really looking at getting a better definition of terms. There's a lot of terms we use in safety engineering, and different standards and different industrial sectors use the same words, but they all mean something slightly different. And this is an effort to try and get a unified set of base terms and then people variants off that. But then if you understand the basic concept, when you're looking at different terms, you're more likely to understand, well, that's quite similar, but it's not quite the same, but we understand the differences. And we're trying to tie into a lot of work that's been done. This is unified foundation ontology, and a lot of intellectual effort has gone in, and we're sort of using that. This is effectively like a big type system that you might have in, programming or whatever. And then this is an example of creating an ontology based around risk, as we'd think about risk in systems engineering. But we're using the types as sort of defined here, which means there's rules. You can't make relationships between types of different kinds, are only limited to the type of relationships you can have. So it stops you making relationships that shouldn't really don't make proper semantic sense. We deal with it because we're clever enough to go, yeah, it's not quite, but I understand what you're saying. And this would actually prevent that and say, no, you're not allowed to say that. And if you want to say that, you're missing something. There's a concept in there that you're short-circuiting, and in your head, you know it, but you communicate to somebody else, they might not get it. And then you spend hours debating until you get, oh, I understand now. And hopefully this sort of idea will make that communication much easier.